You've worked so hard to build your net worth, but it could fall into a sinkhole if you don't do estate planning. Estate planning isn't just for the rich. It is necessary for everyone. An estate plan will allow you to pass along what you own to whom you want to receive it, the way you want them to receive it, and when you want them to receive it. A will is a good start. 70% of Canadians with children under 18 in the household don't have wills. If you don't make a will, the courts may decide the distribution of your assets for you. The will should take into account all you own and all the potential beneficiaries. You may want to consider adding a continuing power of attorney for property and continuing power of attorney for personal property. Both these documents allow someone else to act on your behalf in case you are incapacitated. It's also important that investment titling and beneficiary designations are working in concert with your will or other estate planning documents. Speak with your estate and tax planning professionals to evaluate any potential tax ramifications, and call us today to learn more about strategies and resources that may help you preserve your nest egg.